ma'am. How are you?
Yeah, very fine. Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am. Please tell me about your organization.
Yeah, I'm heading UGC MMTTC, that is Balbir Mission Teacher Training Center.
Okay.
It's a center of UGC and Ministry of Education.
Okay.
And we have the mandate of training teachers towards national education policy.
Okay.
So there are around 111 such centers across the country.
Right.
And the target is within next 3 years, all 15 lakh higher education teachers will be trained into first thing is the awareness about national education policy.
Okay.
And there are around 10 modules on how the teachers have to be understanding the entire university structure, functioning,
Okay.
the leadership roles, the teaching, learning, curriculum designing, assessment patterns, and also we are training into that. Apart from that, we are also conducting faculty development programs, faculty induction programs,
Okay.
refresher courses which are required for different level of promotions for higher education teachers.
Okay.
So all that is very important because any change you want to bring, especially in the light of technology,
Right.
unless or until teachers are changed, you cannot implement that.
Okay.
So our focus is that how, apart from their domain knowledge, which is subject specific, how they can use that for integrating it with the newer pedagogies like flipped classroom model,
Okay.
to implement outcome-based education where not only the subject-specific skills but also the generic learning outcomes,
Okay.
which are the attributes which are looking like communication skills, digital skills, leadership skills, then how creativity, innovation, all these generic which are subject neutral,
Okay.
how they can be integrated in their subject specific curriculum.
Okay.
So that can be implemented through conducting some activities in the classroom, and for that assessment also has to change.
Okay.
You cannot have the assessment of the students in the same way which we were having till now, where focus was more on rote learning.
Right.
So that was only confining the students at the lower order thinking skills, which is understanding and remembering. Now the strategy and the emphasis is on that how we can empower the teachers using technology. The understanding and remember part can be relegated to the video resources, and then in the classroom they will have to be engaging the students and ensure all these graduate attributes are being met. So that's
Okay.
where we are working at ground level, and more than 1 lakh teachers we have already touched base upon.
Okay.
And every day we keep on conducting many
Okay.
programs. So that's how we are doing.
So, is there any scope of improvement as per you in the advancement of learning outcomes in the students?
Yeah, definitely. See, the teachers have not gone through because they are also the product of the old system.
Mm-hmm.
So first thing is they have to be told about these are the new pedagogies. And the next challenge which I see now, I have my own concept, it's teacher secret. So different subject specific groups are working upon that now how it can be implemented into each and every topic.
Okay.
Because if I say chemistry, then chemistry also different topics will need different pedagogies.
Okay.
So with the help of AI tools, with the help of learning management system, how different activities can be given where the teacher's time will not be required.
Okay.
So it will be like a 24/7 support to the student,
Yeah.
but then still their involvement. So what I say is we are preparing teachers to work with robots.
Okay.
The future is with the machine because the students will also be.
Yes.
But then the role will change. Whatever the machine or the AI tools can do, if the teacher is doing the same thing,
Mm-hmm.
they will be no longer required.
Okay.
So they have to change their role in the classroom. They have to bring that human touch, the emotional component, counseling of the students,
Yes.
guiding them, mentoring them, facilitating them, not spoon feeding them.
Yes.
So that's the entire change that we are looking for, and we are
Okay.
working towards that. And congratulations that you bring into all these things into center stage of discussion, because unless or until we talk about these,
Yes.
the changes will not happen. And especially I will also like to invite industry people that,
Yes.
especially when we talk about the industry readiness, the employability skills,
Yes.
the internship models are now coming. The teachers also have to be hand-holded into how the mentorship model can be provided to them and all. So much collaboration I think is in this, and we all should work together, whether it is the school education system or higher education team
Yes.
or the industries.
Yes.
So unless we all collaborate, I think we cannot move ahead to a better future of our country, I will say, because the entire society is getting nurtured in our classroom.
Yes.
So it's not about just their professional competency, but preparing them as good Indian citizens and then overall good human beings. Otherwise, we'll see the ugly faces of the corona time. 80 रुपए की मेडिसिन अगर 80,000 में, तो उस तरह के पढ़े लिखे बच्चे हमें नहीं चाहिए.
Definitely.
We have to have students who are also responsible Indian citizens and good
Yes.
human. So everything. So we talk about Indian knowledge system also, that how traditionally our knowledge has been so rich, and then right from the Guru Shishya Parampara, the value inculcation of that model, along with the technology, where we talk about working with machines.
Yes.
We have to build teachers who are having best of both of these setups. So that's what we are working towards. And I am very hopeful that with the visionary national education policy in the leadership of our Prime Minister Modi ji, it's going to be a wonderful change in our entire education system and the change in our society through this.
Definitely.
And congratulations to the entire team for conducting this
Thank you
particular
so much,
summit.
ma'am.
Thank you. I wish you all the best.
Thank you so much, ma'am. We are happy to have you here.
Same here.
Thank you so much,
Thank
ma'am.